Kia ora, we are learning statistics and we're going to be gathering data. We're going to be gathering data using a tally chart. We're going to use this picture here showing us how much fruit that we have got. And on this side of the screen we can see that there's a tally chart, a word where it says tally and then a word where it says total. So we're going to have a look and using our math skills, counting up the pictures and see if we can keep an accurate tally. So looking at the bananas, we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if on my tally chart I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we've made 7 tallies next to the banana. And I'm going to put the number 7 in the total, because this little gate here that we can see makes 5 and this one here makes 6 and 7. So I put the number 7 here in the tally chart. Looking at the carrots next, I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carrots. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, put a strike through it so it looks like a gate, and that way I know it's 5. Our next fruit is a tomato. See if you can have a look and guess what you think the tally would be for the tomato. If you guessed 1, 2, 3, 4, you'd be correct, and the total's 4. Have a look at the apples. That's right, the apples should be easy, it's 1, 2. And then the last one is the pears. Did you manage to work out how many pears we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. The number is 4, that's correct. So we can look at the chart on the right hand side here and we can see the frequency, that the amount of times the fruit appears in this picture. So we've used our tally chart to create a frequency chart because it shows us the amount of times that that piece of fruit has appeared. This chart's already done for us and we can see the tallies are already in. So if you have a look at it, can you see which birthday month is the most frequent month? Which one has the most birthdays in it? I'll give you 5 seconds. If you guessed March, you'd be correct because we can see there's 2 tally gates here, 5 and 5, which makes 10. So for the frequency month of March, there are 10 birthdays. And I can't see any other numbers that are bigger than 10. Now what I'd like you to do is, before you come down to see me in the workshop, I'd like you to create a tally chart of your own. So this is a basic tally chart. So you could create and collect some data on your classmates' favourite breakfast. So you might put, for the first total, you might put the title toast because you want to see how many people had toast this morning. You might want to know how many people had cereal. You might want to know if they had Cocoa Pops. Did they have porridge? Look at the titles that I've got. Have I made a mistake? Can you see it? I've used the word cereal and I've also used a type of brand, Cocoa Pops. So you have to really think about what data you want from your classmates and think about the questions you're asking. So I've removed the word cereal. I'm going to add the word fruit. And then I'm going to have milk. You can choose your own varieties, but before you come down to see me, I'd like you to have created your own tally chart. Until next time.